Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also to click that bell icon so that you don't miss out on our future uploads because it's different around here. We make sure that you stay motivated as well as entertained. With that, let's begin. So today we are speaking about comparison. This happens in two ways. Either we compare ourselves with someone or others compare us with someone else. This is a disaster waiting to happen. Let me tell you why. Say for example, you're comparing yourself with a friend of yours. He or she is better or excels at something. He or she is good in studies, at sports, at music, in art, etc. etc. And you start comparing. The moment we do this, that is the end of our mind. Because as you start doing this, comparing, a blast of emotions passes through our mind. For example, jealousy, ego, frustration, and the other things that follow. Let me ask you a question. Till date, what did you gain by comparing yourself with someone? By comparing, it's you who lost your mind. It's you who lost your inner peace. It's you who sat whining about what you don't have and the other person has. It's you who ended up doing nothing productive. Just wasting your time comparing. It always sums up to one point in the end that you are not them. You are unique. You are you. And this is the first point of our video. That is, you are unique. I say this because no matter how hard you try, you can never ever be someone else, like someone else. All you're doing is building up a pile of doubts in your own mind, which only slows down your progress. Comparison always kills the joy of achievement. Because you will not be content with whatever you get just because you want to be in a place where someone else has already been. I've always been speaking about self-satisfaction or content, success, etc. One only gets the opposite of that by comparing yourself with someone. And that is the second point of this video, that is, be content with who you are and what you have. This is the only answer to avoiding self-comparison. To add to this, in the new era of technology, all of us aspire to be like our idols. It's a good thing that we take inspiration from successful people, but at times we only inspire to have a life like them. Nobody thinks about the amount of hard work, sacrifices, the blood and sweat put in by them to reach where they are now. It's not your journey to become like your idol. It's your journey to be like you, the best possible version of yourself. Now, the roots of comparison, I think, lies in competition. Sometimes, from an early age itself, it's being imposed on a child that you have to be the best. You have to be first in what you're doing. Now, this leads to you versus everyone situation. Healthy competition is one thing, but this is not healthy competition. For example, you scored less marks in an exam, while your friend scored an out of. There starts comparison by our parents, our relatives, siblings, etc. Why can't you score good marks like him or her? This leads to a whole bunch of other problems like peer pressure, anxiety, depression, because the fear of scoring less marks or the fear of losing the race in being the best is inhibiting them from making true progress. This I'll be speaking about in some other video. This competition happens because our society runs on a set of previously determined rules. For all such people who compare a child with the grades or marks he or she gets, there is a simple question. अगर सबको पढ़ लिख कर डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर बनना था, तो बाकी सब कहाँ जाएंगे? I just want to say that each one of us is gifted with a particular skill set or talent. It takes time to perfect them, and all you have to do is encourage him or her to do better each and every time. Teach them to outdo themselves to be better than what they were yesterday. Basically, let them be whatever they like. And this was the third point of our video. Do whatever it is that you're good at. Do something in your life that you're truly passionate about. All this competition and comparison is not truly necessary in our life. We are not here to compete in our life. We are just here to experience life to the fullest, to find meaning to whatever it is that you're doing, because each one of us has value. All you have to do is keep your mind stable, realize your strengths, keep moving forward, put in lots of efforts and hard work, which will in turn make your life better. Always remember, you're no less than anyone else, so stop comparing yourself with others. Instead, go and do something worthwhile. Before we sum up for today's video and say tata bye bye, here's a small list of points or morals from this video. Hope you guys like it. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like what you see, make sure to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. This has been your host Pranav Surendran, and until the next time we meet, peace out. Bye bye.